How to fix Black OPS 6 not launching Steam. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Black Ops 6 not launching Steam. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, if Call of Duty Black OPS 6 is not launching on Steam, there are several steps you can try to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First is to verify game's files. Steam has a built-in feature to verify the integrity of games files in case they are missing or corrupted. First of all, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Call of Duty, Black OPS 6 and select Properties. Go to the Install File tab and click Verify Integrity of Games file. Steam will check and replace any corrupted or missing files. The second step you need to follow is to update graphic drivers. Outdated or incompatible drivers can prevent games from launching, so ensure your graphic drivers are updated. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience or download the latest drivers for NVIDIA's website. The third step to follow is to run the game as administrators. Sometimes, the game requires elevated permissions to launch. Go to the game's installation folder, right-click the game in Steam, then go to Manage. After that, browse local files. Find the game's executable file, that is .exe, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. The fourth is to disable background applications. Other applications, particularly overlays or recording software, can interfere with the game launch. Disable programs like Discord or NVIDIA and many more. Right-click on the taskbar and open taskbar to close unnecessary background processes. Fifth is to check software conflict. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall to see if it allows the game to launch. Alternatively, add Black OPS 6 as an exception in your antivirus software. Other is to reinstall the app. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Right-click on the game in Steam, then tap Manage. After that, click on Install. After installing, restart your PC and reinstall the game from Steam. Now check the system requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum or recommended system requirements for the game. If your system doesn't meet these requirements, the game might not launch properly. The eighth is to check for Windows Update. Ensure that your operating system is fully updated. Sometimes missing updates can cause game launch issue. For that, go to Settings and then Update and Security. Click on Windows Update and check for the updates. If this step does not resolve the issue, it could be due to a specific game bugs or system conflicts, and you may need to contact Steam support or check the game's community forums for more specific help related to the game. So this is how we fix Black OPS 6 not launching Steam. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.